How to send photos as snaps on Snapchat. Hello digital family. Today's tutorial is for all Snapchat app lovers. Did you know that you can send a photo from your phone's gallery as a snap? Snapchat doesn't have this option, but with a little trick, it's possible. Let me show you how. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Record a short video by long pressing the yellow button at the bottom of the screen. You don't need to put much effort into the video since it won't be important and will only be used to send the photo. Your video is there, and next to it is a plus button. Click on it to add a photo. Then, tap on the import media icon on the right side. Select the photo you want to send. After that, press the yellow checkmark button. Now I will delete the video I recorded. Tap on the video in the bottom left corner. To delete the video, click on the trash can icon above the video. Only the photo you want to send as a snap remains. To see how your snap will look when sent, press the preview button. Let's send it now. Send the snap by clicking the Send to button. Check the boxes for the recipients you want to send the snap to. Finally, press the arrow to finish sending the photo as a snap. If you enter the chat of the user you sent the snap to, you will see delivered, confirming that the snap was successfully sent. For more digital tricks and tips, check out other tutorials on the channel and follow the channel to be notified when new tutorials are released.